The Honor Magic 7 Lite promises flagship features at a mid-range price. But does it live up to the expectations? Let's dive into an honest review based on its technical specs and real-world performance. The first thing that grabs your attention is the 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 2700 by 1224 resolution. Colors are vibrant, and the 120 Hz refresh rate makes for smooth scrolling. However, compared to higher-end AMOLED panels, the brightness and contrast could be better under direct sunlight. The build is sleek and lightweight, but it doesn't quite scream premium. Still, at this price point, it's a solid effort. Powering the Magic 7 Lite is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset paired with 8 GB of RAM. In everyday tasks, it performs well, apps load quickly, and multitasking is smooth. But for gamers, it's a mixed bag. While casual games run fine, demanding titles like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty, mobile may require you to lower graphics settings for smoother gameplay. The lack of advanced cooling means the phone can get warm during extended gaming sessions. The camera setup looks impressive on paper with a 108MP main sensor featuring OIS and PDAF. In good lighting, the photos are sharp and detailed, but the dynamic range can struggle in challenging conditions. The 5MP ultra-wide lens feels like an afterthought. It's okay for group shots but lacks sharpness and detail. The 16MP front camera delivers decent selfies, but it's nothing groundbreaking. One standout feature is the 512 GB of onboard storage, plenty of space for photos, apps, and media. However, keep in mind that there's no microSD card support, so you're limited to what's built in. The phone also includes NFC, an IR blaster, and a USB-C port, which add versatility to its feature set. The 6,600 mAh battery is one of the highlights here. It easily powers through a day of heavy usage, and with 66W fast charging, you can juice it up in under an hour. However, there's no wireless charging, which is a slight letdown. The Honor Magic 7 Lite is a solid mid-range contender. It excels in display, battery life, and storage, but its gaming performance and secondary camera leave room for improvement. If you're looking for a stylish phone with decent specs and you're not a heavy gamer or camera enthusiast, this could be a great choice. But for those needing top-tier performance or photography, you might want to explore other options. That's our honest review of the Honor Magic 7 Lite. What do you think? Does it meet your needs? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.